Okay, my name is Addie Heitschmidt, and for my independent project for Vision Tech, I wanted to do something with Illustrator. I used Illustrator before, and I did kind of a tiny project with it my sophomore year, last year. And this year I really wanted to get out of my comfort zone and kind of do something bigger with a lot more layers and just learn more about Illustrator. And so if we go to my presentation that I did, go back here. I'll show you what I did last year. Right there, that is what I did last year. As you can see, there's not a ton of layers, kind of just did tiny bits and then put them all on one page. And so I want to try something different this year. So I started off with some tinier things with a couple more layers and just different colors and not just blocks of something. And so then this was supposed to be all 4 weeks, but I ended up finishing it in about 2 weeks just because I got the hang of it really easy. And yeah, but so this is what I wanted to base my project off of, and this is what I got out of it. I'm pretty proud of it, and I was maybe next time hoping that I can do something a little harder, and that will take a lot more time just because I felt like I could have done something maybe a little more complicated. But I'll show you some things. So I grouped everything together so you can't really tell, but okay, so as you can see with the pots, I'm gonna show you. So like I said, I grouped everything together, but I just kind of wanted to show you the process of things and stuff like that. So I ungrouped a couple things so you could kind of see it better and me try to explain how I did things, but so a lot of it I just kind of did a couple things, grouped them together, which I just go up here, you push group or Command G, and I would draw out or do the shapes that I wanted, and then I would just put them all together and how I arranged them how I wanted them, and then I just group them like I said. There was a lot of grouping and putting things together so it would stay where I wanted it to, and then you just kind of put them where you want, and then you'll select all of it and then go to object and then group, and then it's all grouped together. And it's pretty simple, and that's why I think I should have done something a little harder, but it is what it is, and I really enjoyed my project. And if we go back to my presentation, yeah, like I said, there were a lot of layers. I watched quite a few tutorials on how to actually get something on top. Like if I wanted to put a rectangle behind that, I was so confused on how I wanted to do that. But a couple of tutorials helped me, and you have to build a new layer and then make it on that layer, and then whatever layer is on the bottom will be on the bottom, and then whatever layer is on the top will be on the top. So I learned that moving that around helps a lot too. And yeah, that's pretty much my project overview. I really enjoy using Illustrator, and I really hope to like do some more things with that, like maybe make some t-shirts and design things like that. But yeah.